Why do some people walk into a room and instantly command respect, while others get ignored or underestimated? It's not about looks. It's not about money. It's psychology. And today, you'll learn simple, psychological tricks that can instantly change how people see you. Because people decide how to treat you within seconds. Before you fully speak, before they know your personality, your energy speaks first. And if you don't control that first impression, people subconsciously decide your value for you. Trick 1. Speak less, but speak with purpose. Most people think talking more makes them look confident. Actually, it often does the opposite. People who constantly over-explain usually look nervous. But people who speak less, they seem calm, certain, powerful. Psychology calls this the scarcity effect. When something is rare, people value it more. And words work the same way. So instead of rushing to prove yourself, pause before speaking. Think first, then speak clearly. No rambling, no over-explaining. Because confidence is usually quiet, not loud. Trick 2. Master the power of silence. Silence makes most people uncomfortable. And that's exactly why it's powerful. Confident people are not afraid of silence. Insecure people rush to fill it. So the next time someone interrupts you, don't react instantly. Pause. Look at them calmly. Then continue speaking slowly. That small moment changes the power dynamic. And when you finish speaking, don't instantly keep talking to avoid awkwardness. Let the silence sit. Because silence creates pressure. And people naturally respect whoever stays calm under pressure. Trick 3. Stop seeking approval. This is where most people lose respect without realizing it. They apologize too much. They say yes to everything. But people rarely respect someone desperate for validation. Real respect comes from self-respect, which means setting boundaries without guilt. Sometimes confidence sounds like, "I'm not okay with that. I'll think about it." Not right now. No anger. No explanation. Just calm certainty. Trick 4. Control your body language. Before you even speak, your body already introduces you. Your posture, your eye contact, your movements. If your movements are rushed and nervous, people subconsciously sense anxiety. But slow, controlled movements create presence. Stand straight. Maintain eye contact. Don't constantly fidget. Because calm body language signals emotional control. Here's the truth. People don't respect you simply because you're nice. They respect you because you value yourself. Because confidence is not forcing people to like you. It's being completely okay even if they don't. Subscribe for more psychology videos about confidence, human behavior, and mental power.